Want to resize your horizontal videos into YouTube Shorts in under 2 minutes without having to reshoot everything? Here is the fastest way to repurpose your content using Async. First, open Async and upload your video file. Now we can close that AI chat window, and then up the top you're going to find the size option and select Portrait for YouTube Shorts. Now, if your original video is a wide shot, all you have to do is click, hold and drag your video into the middle and then stretch out the edges to fill that vertical frame. Or let's say your video is really close up and filling that frame, it just isn't working for you. All you have to do is right click on your video in the timeline, hit copy, and then next to that clip, you're gonna hit paste. Now we're going to drag that second clip underneath our top clip and then stretch out the edges of the bottom clip here to fill the frame. In the right panel here, you're going to see a basic toolkit. Select that, and then under opacity, we're going to drag that bar down to about 25% so that our main video stands out. Next, to level up your short, you can throw on some automatic subtitles and style them to fit your branding, and don't forget to add in some background music. Also, lower that track volume down so that you can still hear yourself speaking. Now, once you're happy with the edit, click Export up in the top right, adjust your render settings and hit Export again. Now, once it's finished rendering, we can download it. Finally, head over to YouTube and click the upload icon. Now you can choose your video file and YouTube will automatically register that as a YouTube short because it is a vertical video that is under 1 minute long. Now while that uploads, you can add in your title, your description, 3 hashtags, and go through all the final monetization and video element checks, and then finally hit publish or schedule. And that is it. That is how easy it is to breathe new life into your old videos using Async. And if you want to learn how to master B-roll, just click on this video next. I'll see you there.